I'm an 11 handicap. I don't have every shot in the back. Hey, Rusty Debo here, Digital Installers. I want you to come along with us for the technology of Fullswing Golf Simulation. We're going down to Carlsbad, California. Can't wait to see you there.
Hey, welcome to Fullswing, Rusty.
Man, thank you. So excited to be here.
Mi casa, tu casa.
All right, let's check this place out.
So this is what you guys are going to have in your showroom?
Oh, let's play this course. Other settings, you can choose your mulligans, gimmies inside of 6 feet, green speed. Wow, that could have been my swing, right? That was horrible. Mulligan number 1. That's got to be better. Get up there. Oh! All right, so I just played my very first hole on the Fullswing Golf Simulator. Just give me a double, that's fine. I had a 3-putt and a few mulligans. But watch this, I'm gonna get a birdie on this hole. You're able to see pre-impact. You can see I hit it on the heel. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm gonna get a birdie. I'm gonna get a birdie. I'm gonna try and break these glass windows. Oh yeah, this is a skills challenge game, blackjack, and I just put some wager on it, $100, so let me see if I can beat the dealer. That's so cool. I lost $100. Probably pull a hamstring here, but let's give it a try. Oh, he's quick. Oh, my leg's sore. No, that's super fun. Got him. It's gonna be fun to throw a baseball. I haven't done this in 5 years, 10 years. Ah! I'm feeling my labrum come out of my body. Now that you've seen what Fullswing has at their corporate headquarters, let's see what it will look like in your own home. If this doesn't excite you, I don't know what will. Wow, that was so much fun, and it is going to be even better in April when it's at our showroom. So thanks for joining us. Stay tuned, and can't wait for you guys to come by and check it out. Thanks for watching. For more information, visit digitalinstallers.com. And don't forget to like and subscribe.